When I was growing up, we weren't taught appropriate oral hygiene. By the time I became an adult and had my own insurance, eventually I started noticing tooth loss and had some teeth that actually fell out. And I decided that this just wasn't something that I could live with. I've spent numerous hours in dental chairs, and it was embarrassing to go out, and something that I'd done without giving any thought to, it was always at the forefront of my mind, was putting my hand up and covering my mouth so that I didn't ever show my teeth to anyone. I decided after seeing several commercials that I was definitely going to go with all-on-4 implants.
So Paula presented to us with failing upper and lower teeth. She was missing multiple teeth. She was complaining of pain associated with her teeth, and she had significant bone loss in the upper and lower jaw.
When I went in for my consultation, I met with Dr. Ryan. He explained the process, and he explained that they would pull all of my teeth and then do the bone grafting, and that they would put the implants in immediately, but that there would be a healing process, and that the implants needed time to integrate before that they could put in the permanent prosthesis.
Paula had been to a number of dentists over her lifetime, and she had had a lot of dental treatments and just really didn't feel confident about her treatment plan. She was scared, she was concerned, and we were able to sit down with her and show her what surgery we would be doing. Again, we talked to her about previous surgeries that we had completed, and I think we gained her confidence, and we were able to complete her procedure for her.
The day I went back to receive my permanent prosthesis, it was a bunch of mixed emotions. They handed me the mirror, and for the first time, I looked in the mirror and I was absolutely shocked, and I had mixed feelings of joy. Looking in the mirror is something that I feared for many years. But after looking at myself in a totally different light, I couldn't believe that that was my smile.
Well, I think that a lot of our patients that come in, they don't have anyone to turn to. They've been to multiple offices, they've seen multiple doctors, and a lot of these patients have such significant bone loss and significant issues with their teeth that they don't know who to turn to. So they're able to come here, and I think with my experience and with all the cases that I've done, I'm able to help them regain their smile. And again, the biggest satisfaction for me is watching the patient smile again, and I think that's really the most important attribute to what we're doing here at Mountain Oral Surgery.
And now that I've had my teeth taken care of and I've got my self-confidence has grown, this is something that I'm able to spend more time with my granddaughter and more time doing things with her in public, taking her places and doing things that she enjoys. This has given me a whole new life with her. I don't have any limitations as I did before. As soon as I got my prosthesis in, and I'll never forget the moment that my husband looked over at me and smiled at me and said, "Look at those pearly whites. Those are just beautiful. You look amazing, honey." And it's definitely by far the best investment I have made in my life.